Hey there! Got yourself a shiny new video doorbell but don't want to drill holes in your wall or door? We've got the perfect solution, the Universal Doorbell Adhesive Mount. Our slim model is designed to fit almost all doorbells that use 2 screws for mounting, including big names like Eufy, Nest, Arlo, Blink, Aosu, Netamo, Reolink, Tapo, Wyze, and the list goes on. But before we dive in, there's just one tiny thing to check. Make sure the distance between the mounting holes on your doorbell is no bigger than 5.7 inches or 145 millimeters. Even if your doorbell is larger than the mount, don't worry. As long as the holes fit, you're good to go. Let's get started. First things first, punch the screw holes. You can use the included screws, but we recommend using a small screwdriver or sharp tool to make neat little holes before screwing in. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need: screws, washers, and adhesive pads. The mount itself is made from precision-engineered grids covered with a thin surface, tough enough to hold your doorbell securely, but easy to work with. For the best result, attach the doorbell to the mount before sticking it on the wall. Remember, the mount doesn't replace your doorbell's original mounting plate. They work together to keep everything locked in place. If your doorbell's mounting holes are a little too big, no problem, just pop in the included washers for a perfect fit. Now, prep your surface. Give both the wall and the back of the wedge a good clean with isopropyl alcohol or a vinegar-based window cleaner. Clean, smooth, and dry surfaces like UPVC, glass, plastic panels, metal, or smooth wood will give you the strongest hold. Avoid dusty, damp, or uneven surfaces. We're all about that smooth stick. Need to run wires? No worries. First, you need to switch off the power supply. The wedge has cable entry tabs that can be easily cut or drilled out. Just remember to wear safety gear when cutting. Time to stick it on. Apply the adhesive pads to the back of the wedge and firmly press the wedge against the wall for at least 30 seconds. The adhesive glue will hold the weight of the doorbell immediately, but will fully cure after 24 hours. Finally, reattach your mounting plate, then reconnect the wires, snap your doorbell back into place, and you're all set. No drills, no mess, no fuss. Need to remove the wedge? Easy! Use a flexible filling knife with a little lubricant spray, like WD-40. Gently work your way around the edges until the wedge pops off. If there's any glue left, a scraper will clean it right up.